Are you tired of dealing with handwritten safety observation cards? Do you struggle with writing or grammar issues? Or you simply just need help understanding your observations? Look no further, as Aquanautics has the perfect solution for you. So you're interested in using our B.O.S.S card? Well, B.O.S.S stands for Behavioral Observation Safety Statement. It's a digital observation tool that helps you capture safety observations with ease and professionalism. In under 1 minute, from observation to submission, Terra Safe 360 is making safety observations easy. Let's get started. The first step to recording an observation is simple. Just click on the B.O.S.S module on the dashboard. Next, you will have a choice to select the category of your observation. It could either be Stop Work Authority. This should be used in situations where an immediate hazard or dangerous condition is observed that poses a direct threat to personal safety or health. Timeout for Safety. This is invoked when there's a need to pause work to reassess risks, clarify safety procedures, or address minor safety concerns. It's a proactive measure taken to prevent unsafe conditions from escalating, but it's typically not in response to an immediate serious threat. Safe observation. This is the practice of acknowledging and highlighting safe behaviors or conditions in the workplace. Unlike the other two, which focus on addressing potential hazards, a safe observation is about recognizing and reinforcing positive safety practices. Now that you have chosen the category, you need to describe the scene of your observation. Be as detailed as possible to make the report comprehensive. Not confident about your spelling and grammar? No worries, use the Clean Up with Terra feature to fine-tune your report. You can also choose to add recommendations, if you have any, to make the workplace safer and more efficient. Then, if needed, clean up with Terra. Done with your description and recommendations. Great. Click on Generate Report. It typically takes around 20 seconds to generate your B.O.S.S observation card using Terra. And there you have it. You've just created your first digital B.O.S.S card with your Terra Safe 360 mobile application. Remember, every card is a learning experience. To delve deeper into your card, you have two options. Read through it for a detailed understanding, or simply click the speaker icon and let Terra offer insightful analysis of your observation. But first, let's sign using the signature you saved when setting up your profile, and then submit this to your participating locations management dashboard. But there's more you can do with your report using My Report History in the library. You have several options for sharing. You can print a PDF, email it, text it, or even send it via Bluetooth. Additionally, Terra has taken the liberty to generate a toolbox talk for you, just in case the observation needs to be discussed with your team. Take a look at your toolbox talk. Terra has helped you with key talking points to cover. And if you need help conducting a meeting, she walks you through it. This also can be sent any way you liked. This feature saves you time, enabling you to concentrate on one-on-one interactions with your team members. This application has been designed with the everyday user in mind, aiming to educate, train, and prioritize user safety. Terra Safe 360 will be available as a web application. Post-launch, you'll be able to download it for both iOS and Android. Now, all users, regardless of their company or location, have the power to be professional. Get your free account today. Even non-participating locations are invited to register for their free dashboard at www.terrasafe.app. And check out our other Terra Safe 360 videos and discover what else Terra can do for you. Aquanautics, restoring safety to the hands of everyday workers.